Welcome back to Live from the Camper House Edition. My name's Tony, and today we're making a super easy, quick, delicious meatball hoagie, or grinder, or sub, or whatever you call it. Because you know what I call it? I call it delicious. So are you ready? Good, let's get cooking. Well, this is all you need to make those meatball subs, or hoagies, or grinders. I'm not gonna keep saying it over and over again, so it's just gonna be hoagies, okay? I went to Walmart. They have these meatballs already made up. They're like $3.50. They're the Italian meatballs. These things are fantastic. You can make them if you want. I'm keeping it easy. Get some provolone cheese. I got some hoagie rolls. And then get the pasta sauce of your choice. Everybody likes different kinds. This one's my favorite. You use the one you like. Let's start off by cooking those meatballs. We're gonna cook them at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. After 7 minutes, we're gonna kind of roll them around a little bit, get the other side browned. All right, get the meatballs in there, just kind of move them around so they're not all on top of each other. Close the lid, hit start, and let's get these things cooking. So while we're waiting for the meatballs to cook up, go ahead and get you a bowl, get you some of your tomato sauce, pour it in there, go throw it in the microwave. I put about 2 cups in there, by the way. Then go throw it in the microwave and get it warmed up. You can put it all in the food if you want. I just find it's gonna make a big mess and I don't wanna clean that. All right, it's been 7 minutes. Let's go ahead and move those meatballs around. See how they're starting to brown on top? Just wanna move them around a little bit so the bottoms get brown. And we'll cook it 7 more minutes. While you're waiting, go ahead and hit the little red button down there in the corner and subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell so you know when my new videos come out. And don't forget to like the video. Come check out our Facebook group. It's called the Ninja Foodi and Instapot Universe. Over there we exchange pictures, recipes, videos, all kinds of stuff to our 2 favorite machines, the Instapot and the Ninja Foodi. So come on over and join us. All right, the timers went off. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Look perfect to me. So let's take out those meatballs and put them in the bowl with the sauce. Let's move this out of the way so we can build that hoagie. What we're gonna do is take this hoagie roll, we're gonna cut it down the middle and just open it up and push all the insides down. We don't wanna cut it in half and have the sauce go everywhere. Let's make like a little boat. Just push it all down. See that? Perfect. Let's mix up that sauce with those meatballs. Now let's put them in. Or meatballs, works perfect. Get a little of that sauce, put it over the top. Kind of spread it around, try not to make a big mess. Take a little of that Parmesan, sprinkle on the top. Now you can add a little crushed red pepper if you want to spice it up a little bit. I'm good like this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a couple of these pieces in half. Put it right on top. You can never have too much cheese, right? Never have enough. Now, let's broil the sandwich for 5 minutes, but let's check it after 3. We don't want to burn it. Well, it's been 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and check it. Oh, that's coming along nice. Look how melty and bubbly that looks. That looks delicious. But I want it to brown up just a little bit more, so let's go the full 5 minutes. All right, it's been 5 minutes. Let's take a look. Look at that. Oh my. Let's plate it up and eat it up. All right, I went and got some salt and vinegar chips, a little bit of pickle. Let's take this out. Let's try it. Now it's time to try it. I'm gonna use a fork and knife and be civilized, but as soon as that camera turns off, it's gonna be all over my face, all over my shirt. It's gonna be so good. Bread has a nice crunch to it. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. That is fantastic, guys. You get the crust of the bread, you get that gooey cheese, the meatballs are delicious, cooked perfect. I'm telling you, anytime you want to make a meatball sub or something quick for the family, I highly recommend this. This is fantastic, guys. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry?
Yes, please.
Good, let's eat. I too big of a bite.
You got a bit of mouth.
I thought I did.
You can do it.
Even that was too big for me.
No way.
All right.